Today I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic eye. Most people say it's hard to draw a realistic eye, but then once you get more into it and it's really fun to you, then it's really easy to draw. Okay, first you want to draw an eye shape. So it's really not that hard. I'll get back to you once I'm done drawing my eye. Okay, I'm back after I've drawn my eye shape. So your eye shape should look like this. If it's not, go ahead and make it look like this. So pause the video if you've not done this, but next step is you're gonna do this. So you're gonna make the eyelashes. To make the eyelashes, you're just gonna make these curves for the eyelashes. Continue doing it until you get all the way to the end, just like this. Okay, once you've done drawing the eyelashes, you want to draw the eye part of the eyelid. So what you're going to do is you're going to start from the bottom, like that, and you're going to continue this line all the way to there. I'll be right back. Okay. Then this is how it should be. If it's not like that, then do all these steps. You want to draw a big eye at first because then you should have more room because you're drawing the little eyelid. Next, you want to draw the pupil. So I like drawing my pupil with a curve like that. And then the other side is a little complicated. Erase that. So you want to draw one line coming out from the side. Then under that, you want to draw a little circle. Under this circle, you want to do another line coming back to the other side. And then it looks kind of small, so we're going to make the circle bigger. I'll be right back. Okay, this is how it should be, but it looks kind of weird right now, right? So after you've done all this, next, what you do is put a line coming from the side just like this. And then another one coming from the side. Just like that. But I'm going to fix it up right now. See you later. Okay, after you've done all that, it should start to look like this. But you know how it looks boring? Well, we're going to make it a lot more realistic. Never judge an artist's unfinished work. So what you're going to do is color in the eyelid and eyelashes. I can't pronounce that. Okay, I'll be right back. After I've done it, make sure you color them in, or else then your drawing won't look professional. That is one of the most important steps for this. Okay, I'm back. You actually start to like this. There's 2 more steps for the eyelashes. Don't worry. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to draw thin, light lines. Don't press hard on your piece of paper by the lashes. Just between 2 lashes, you're going to just do soft, light lines like that. I'll finish, but I'll be right back. Do it while I am going to finish it. Your top lashes should look something like this. Okay, last step for the lashes. Next, we're going to do the bottom lashes. So this is a little complicated. I want to draw lashes, tiny lashes that are light all around. Pause the video so you can do this. I will finish on my... Okay, your bottom lashes look something like this. And if they're a little too long, you can erase part of it. Just like so. Okay, next we're going to move on to the pupil. This is a little hard to do, but I know you can master it. So this is what you want to do. So right here, you want to draw a dark line as hard and dark as you can on the right side of the pupil. And then you're going to go from dark to light. I'll come back when it's finished, and that is what it should look like. Okay, your eye should look something like this. Don't worry if it doesn't look like this. No person's art is perfect, not even mine. So you're going to go from dark to light. If you haven't done that, please do that. Okay, the next step is smudging. You can use like one of those smudging finger things, but I don't have one. So if you don't have one and if you're a poor artist like me, just use your fingers. Rub it until you think that's the right blend. I'll be right back. And you should blend too if you'd like it to look a little bit more real. As I was saying, smudge it with your finger for it to look a little more realistic with a simple blend. And once you think that is the right blend for you, then you can move on to the next part. So the next part is adding some like little shading. So you're going to use a light shade on the side of the pupil. This is kind of what I call a pupil. Just like so. And you may want to do it around the circle you've done too. And do it on the other side. I'll be right back and I'll show you what it should look like. Okay, little monkeys, it should look just like this. And if it's not, that's okay. You can try again or you can just do it. So another way you should probably add is do a little on the top and the bottom. So it's on all little sides. You don't have to, but I think you should. So it's not in focus. Okay, then add lighter shades coming out from the side, but still leave white space. Doesn't matter what texture. Okay, leave it just like this while I pause the video, and then I'll tell you the next step. Okay, the next step is smudging again. I know, there'll just be 2 more smudging, then we'll be done. So you just want to smudge it, but don't smudge it all the way into the white space, or else it won't look that realistic. Okay, I'm going to pause the video while I do it. Do it while I pause the video so it can look realistic just like mine. We're not done yet, so hold on there. Okay, little friends, it should look just like this after you've done. Okay, there's only one last step. We're almost to the end of the video. So what you want to do is on the other part of the eyeball, you want to do the same thing. Just cut all the sides just like so with light pencil marks. Do the same and pause the video while I do the other side. After you've done that, you want to add some little marks coming out from the sides. Doesn't matter the texture, the size. Just matter if you leave some little white space in the middle for it to look still realistic. Same thing, we did it with the middle part of the eye. I'll do this while you can do it too. Please pause the video so you can not miss a step. I know this video is taking me so long, but we're almost done. Last step is just smudge it. I'm going to smudge while you should too. Be right back. Okay, my little friends, we are done. This is what it should look like. Just like that. It's okay if it doesn't look like yours. I'm going to add some details and soon I'll give you the finished product. Okay, this is what the finished product should be. If you want me to do another art tutorial just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell, like, and subscribe. And also make sure you always check daily. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon. Bye.